Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. I know a black screen after logging in on your Windows feels like terrible, but there is a way to fix it without reinstalling your system. In this video, I'll show you 4 methods to fix this problem. For the first method, press Windows, Control, Shift and B. You will heard a beep sound and you will see a flickering on your screen. It is because it has restarted your graphics cards, and if your problem is small, it will fix it. And now for the second method, press Control Shift and ESC. It will open Task Manager. From here, click on the option called Run New Task, and here type explorer.exe, then hit enter. This can also fix your issues with your Windows and everything, and it will just fix the black screen. And now for the third method, right click on the start menu and from here select device manager. It will take some time to load, then click on display adapter to expand the option, then right click on the enter REUHD graphics, and from here select uninstall device. And after this, restart your computer. Now for the fourth method, click on the search bar and type control panel and open it. Make sure view by option is selected in the large icon, and from here click on the power option. Then select choose what the power buttons do. Here click on change settings that are currently unavailable. If your turn on fast startup recommended option is selected, make sure to uncheck it, then click on save changes. It will also help you to fix your problems. Now close the window and restart your computer or laptop. I hope these methods will fix all your problems with the black screen. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to PC Error Detective. See you in the next video. Bye.